I'm back for another tutorial on nature because I like drawing nature a lot more than I thought I would. Anyway, so other things that are kind of like nature are flowers. And so we're gonna draw flowers. So when you're making flowers, you want to make sure that the flowers are they have like a center. I don't know what that's called, but you gotta make sure that there's a center to the flower, like that, and then you can draw your petals. And your petals you can draw as many petals as you want. I'm gonna do 5. A petal looks like that, by the way. Yeah. There we go. And you also can't forget about the stem. And I decided to draw the stem last because I messed up the tree last time. And so I just think it'd be better if I drew it last. There we go. Even though it looks like it's a part of the petal. Oh, and speaking of the petals, you also have to put in the flap, like that. The ground. Yeah, I forgot to add the ground. That's my bad. But if you draw the ground last, and you can prevent messing up, like how I did last time. But if you do mess up, that's probably okay. Then that's basically it.